CBS News has new information on that classified Department of Energy report that details the origin of the COVID-19 virus. The new intelligence points to a possible lab leak in Wuhan, China. CBS's Catherine Herridge has more.
Cameras went inside the Wuhan labs as the pandemic unfolded 3 years ago. Now, two sources close to the U.S. government probe into the origins of COVID-19 tell CBS News there is new intelligence that points to an accidental lab leak. The sources said the Energy Department has low confidence in the new reporting, though it's not clear whether that reflects weak data or limited intelligence.
We really do want to know what happened here.
The White House would not endorse the new finding.
The intelligence community and the rest of the government is still looking at this. There's not been a definitive conclusion.
Intelligence agencies have not been able to agree on how the pandemic that killed more than 1 million Americans started. Several still point to the possibility of natural transmission through animals. The first major outbreak occurred at a Wuhan wildlife and seafood market. Getting answers from the Chinese government, or PRC, has been impossible, according to State Department spokesperson Ned Price.
For more than 2 years now, the PRC has been blocking from the beginning international investigators and members of the global health community from accessing information that they need to understand the origins of COVID-19.
With more than 7 million deaths worldwide, the lack of transparency has frustrated health experts.
Why does knowing still matter?
Knowing the origins of COVID really matters because it will impact how we prepare for the future. So if this was the result of a lab leak, it may result in tighter safety procedures in the lab, more regulations on what kind of research is allowed. Whereas if this is a natural occurrence, it does point to the need for better surveillance among animal populations, for example, to see what might be brewing as the next virus there.
This month, the Special Congressional Committee on China will hold a public hearing on the topic, telling reporters it is a national security priority that will help prevent future pandemics and bring some closure to the families who lost friends and relatives to the virus. Norah.
That'll be interesting. Catherine Herridge, thank you so much.